Good day everyone. Now I just want to show you how I wash my bangus. This is bangus. I wash it like this. I need to remove the, as you see, important things. When you wash your fish, you always remove the blood here. And I don't know how to call here, but always have blood. Look at this, I'm like this. So I just want to show you again. Here, you just put your hands like this, then remove here. Yeah, this one. Then put there. So it will be very clean if you do that. Like this, no more. Today, I'm going to cook my Bangus Sardines Spanish Style. My ingredient is carrots, kamatis, ginger, chili green, bawang, garlic, onion, and tomato. And this one is fresh sampalok. This is fruit from the fresh tamarind. I will put here 2 of them, and this is ginger. And this one is, I don't have a small red chili, so I will use this red bell pepper. So the process is, by the way, also this is the laurel and paminta, and I have my black olive. Then the process is like this. My hands is clean, I already washed. I will put here that's how I do. I'll put this fish like this. My hands is clean like what I said. I put on top. And this is the liver bangus. Liver. So now I will put again here some, and I'm gonna put this laurel on top. Laurel. And then pamintang buo. And then this one, this is black olive, sliced black olive. We will just do it like this. And then this is from the olive oil, from the black olive. And then I will put some kikuman. Just 2 spoons first. And then this vinegar. I will just put little vinegar, like 2 spoons, because I already have fresh sampalok tamarind fruit, tamarind and sampalok, fresh sampalok. I use this dark salt, patis. This is patis, light sauce. Light sauce. And then I'm gonna put the olive oil. So we just do it like this. Not enough, so I still have one. Sorry for the noise. Enough. And then I will put some little bit rock salt. That's it. So like this, I will going to cover. So this is my Bangus Sardines Spanish Style. This is my style. So now I'm going to cover. Then I will cook this 30 to 45 minutes. First high fire, but once it's moving here, so I can just put low the fire. Okay. Now we will going to check our bangus, our sardine Spanish style. This is how it look now, but I need to cook it another 35 minutes because the bone is still hard. So but look at that, so looks so colorful. Okay, so I'm going to cover it again and I will on for 35 minutes because the bone is still hard. Okay. Now guys, we check again. This is how it look now. This is enough to serve. It's okay to serve. Mean to say it's cooked already. You can see a little bit oil. So now I'm going to serve it and bring inside. This is my finished product of my bangus. Look at that, very simple. And I call this is Bangus Spanish Sardine Style. This is my own style. This is how I cook it. I just cook it very simple. Thank you for watching. I hope you continue watch in my next video. Thank you.